Good morning, everybody. I was just in the motorhome and I've waited for a long time to do this. Um, I have to clean the ceiling vents, the sky vents, what do you call it? These ones. They're very dirty. If I think you can see it. And I'll show you how to take it off. You unscrew in there on four arms, and then you go underneath there and you unscrew. When you've taken it off, you'll see there's another screw in there at the bottom that separates the two surfaces. They are double skinned, but it's real dirty and it's in between that it's dirty. So I'll show you when it's clean and put it back. The best bet is to open it, and then you got more space to undo those little screws in there. And now you just pull that to your inside, that it's loose. Pull that to the inside, let it hang down, and then she's all off. And then I'll just show you. I need two hands, hold on. Yeah, it's all off. So you put it on top of the roof and get a ladder, and you can take it from the outside. Now that I've got it off, you can hardly see through it. It's so dirty. I'll take another video when it's clean. Put something soft down so that you don't scratch the PVC. PVC scratches easily. So I'll just put an old pillowcase and we'll get going. We'll let you know what happens. So you lift this out. See how dirty that is? We'll see, we'll go and clean it and then we'll put it back together. We'll have to clean that one too. So I've just wet, I've got a tap here, just wet the whole surface. And then I've got this soft cloth. I've put some of this dishwashing liquid on it, and we'll just give it a wipe. Now I've cleaned it and it's way better, way cleaner. I had it here. Remember the other one that you saw? You could hardly see the paper towel there. Now I'll just give it a bit of a dry. And now I'll go and wash this one out. It's a tinted one. So yeah, I'll go and clean it and then we'll put it back together. And that's all done, nice and clean. You can see through it now. No dust on it, no marks. Now I'll just put the other one together. That's that one. Put it down on, not that way around, but that way. Only goes one way. Now somebody will try and put it another way. Check that the holes line up. Maybe it has to turn around and put the other way around. That's it. Holes line up now. Now you take your handles, locking handles, and just place them on like that. They only go one way. You see the little marks in there? I'll put that one in later. We'll just concentrate on this one first. Starting to bite, just take it off, don't screw it on too tight. A little bit tight, and then just go in between the two. It's tight. Now we'll put the other one on. Okay, so that's all tightened now and clean as. We'll go and fit it on, and we'll see you back in the motorhome. Okay, I just got up on the ladder again and put it onto the place, and just lift it and put it in place, and then you got to put these little arms in. That one's in. That one's in. And then lift this one up. Put that one in. Sorry, not thinking. And put that one in. When you tighten these screws, tighten them all the way, and then one revolution loose, and that'll be fine. And look how clear it is now. Couldn't see before, now you can see. Can't dig a hole because the big goat's scratching its head against the shovel. All the goats around me. Oh. Oh. Can I dig the hole, please? Can I dig the hole, please? Hey. Can I dig the hole, please?